In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jungle Scout account. To get started, open the official Jungle Scout website in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look for a button such as Get Started, Sign Up, or an option to choose a plan. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the page layout, but the goal is the same. Begin the account creation process. After that, you'll need to select the subscription plan that best fits your needs. Jungle Scout commonly offers options like Starter, Growth Accelerator, and Brand Owner plus CI. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to read the brief descriptions of each plan so you can choose the one that matches how you plan to use the tool. Next, choose your billing period. You'll usually see the option to pay monthly or annually. Monthly billing can offer more flexibility, while annual billing may provide better value overall, so pick the option that works best for your budget and commitment level. Once you've chosen your plan and billing cycle, enter your email address. Make sure you type it carefully, since this will be used for account access and important communication. In some cases, you may also be asked to confirm the email before continuing. Now create your password. According to the current sign-up requirements, your password should include at least 9 characters and at least one number. It's a good idea to make it strong and memorable so your account stays secure while still being easy for you to manage. When those details are filled in, click Next to continue through the registration process. The next stage is payment. Enter your credit or debit card information in the payment section. If you're selecting an annual subscription, PayPal may also be available as a payment option. As always, double-check your billing details before moving forward to avoid any delays. Once everything looks correct, review your information and complete the purchase by clicking the confirmation or payment button. This finalizes your subscription and creates your account. After your account has been created, log into your Jungle Scout account and access the Jungle Scout Catalyst web application. This is the main dashboard where you'll be able to use the platform's core tools and features. From there, complete your account setup. Inside the dashboard, you can install the browser extension, connect your Amazon account, and start exploring resources like Jungle Scout Academy and the other available tools. And that's it. Once these steps are complete, your Jungle Scout account will be ready to use, and you can begin setting up your workflow inside the platform.